In this session, we will be solving problem related to van der Waals equation. Compute the specific volume of the steam at 0.9 bar and 550 Kelvin using van der Waals equation. Take critical temperature as 647.3 Kelvin and critical pressure as 220.9 bar for steam. Okay, we have to find the specific volume of steam using van der Waals equation, and the value given are and the value which are given is pressure P is equal to 0.9 bar. Pressure P is equal to 0.9 bar, which is equal to 0.9 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square, or the pressure P can be written as 90 kilopascal. And the value of temperature T is given as 550 Kelvin, and critical temperature is given as 647.3 Kelvin, and the pressure PC, that is critical pressure, is given as 220.9 bar, which is equal to 220.90 kilopascal. We have to find the specific volume. Now moving on to the solution. The van der Waals equation is being given as P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. Now we have to find the value of A and B in order to find the value of V. That is, we have to find the value of A and B in order to find the specific volume. Since we have the value of pressure and temperature. Now, in order to find the value of A, the equation to find the value of A is given as 27 R square T of C whole square divided by 64 into critical pressure, and the value of B is given as R into TC divided by 8 of PC. Here we have to find the gas constant value, that is, we have to find the value of R for steam, and the value of R is being given as universal gas constant by molecular weight of steam, by molecular weight of steam. The value of universal gas constant is given as R is equal to 8.314 divided by molecular weight of steam is 18, and from this you will be getting the value of R is equal to 0.461 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and we have find out the value of R. Now substituting the value of R in the equation A and B, you can find the value of A and B. And the value of A is being calculated as 27 into 0.461 whole square, which is the value of R, into 647.3 whole square, which is the value of critical temperature, by 64 into 220.90, which is the critical pressure. On calculation, the value of A is equal to 1.70, and the value of A is being calculated as 1.70. Now we can calculate the value of B, which is equal to 0.461, which is R, into value of TC is 647.3 divided by 8 into PC is the critical pressure, which is 220.90 kilopascal. On calculation, the value of B is equal to 1.68 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Now on substituting the value of A, B, pressure and temperature in van der Waals equation, you will be getting 90 plus 1.70 divided by V square into V minus 1.68 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 0.461 into 550. Okay, and on calculation you will be getting 90V minus 0.1512 plus 1.70 divided by V minus 2.856 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by V square is equal to 253.55. On further calculation, the equation is being reduced as 90 V cube minus 0.152 V square plus 1.70 V is equal to 253.54. Here, the value of V can be found by trial and error method, and you can also use quadratic equation to find the value of V. For calculating the value of V, I have used quadratic equation and made the equation as 90 V cube minus 0.152 V square plus 1.70 V minus 253.54, which is equal to 0. Now the equation is of the form A x cube minus Vx square plus Cx minus D is equal to 0. And on calculation, the value of V is being calculated as 1.40 meter cube per kg. In this way, you can find the value of V.